Hello everyone, welcome to part 3 of Vue.js series in Laravel 5.8, and you have seen that the last time we able to post data with Axios and Vue.js, and you can see that we able to post data with our form in the last video. Whenever we post our data from here, like this one, and see here, and this is the subject testing, and testing is going on. Okay, so whenever we will click on submit, you can see data is coming in our console. This data is coming. Name Amit Gupta, email amit@gmail.com, subject testing, and message testing is going on. Okay, so this one we able to do. We able to means pass all the data from the form. It comes here like and able to pass from here to this page post route, and in page post you can check out. If you will find in page post, we have sent this in CmsController, that addPost function, and in addPost function you can search here that it is coming here, and here we are straight away echo the data, means print out the data, and data is coming here, printing everything. Okay, so now the only thing that we need to do, we will post this data to the table, and the table we are going to create, we will create the table like inquiries table we are going to create, and inquiry model we are going to create, and then we are going to add that inquiry into the inquiries table. And after posting the inquiry, means after inserting the data into the inquiries table, then once again Vue.js comes into play, and here we will update the code to show the response in this form, like we used to do in jQuery, we used to do in Laravel, and here also we will do some coding in Vue.js that will show the response in this page as well. Okay, so let's start working on it. And you have only you've seen already that we are getting the data here, and now we need to post it into table, and table we are going to create now. And you have two ways of creating the table. One is the migration and Laravel migration, and you can use that Laravel migration to create your table, inquiries table, and we can create the table from here as well, PHP my admin, and I'm going to use PHP my admin. So here inquiries, okay, and I am going to keep let's see here four fields here. One is the ID 5, and created at and updated at 7 columns I am going to create. Okay, so create like this, 7 columns. First one is the ID, okay, and ID here auto increment, okay, like this go, and after that ID name, okay, then email, okay, then subject, okay, then message, created at and updated at. Okay, so here we are going to do varchar, okay, and here message will come, and text message, and here we will do that datetime and timestamp. Okay, so here we are going to do 255, 255, and 255. Although you can decrease as well, it's up to you. And here we can do like this, and that is fine. And we can save it, and our table is ready. Okay, so inquiries table is ready now. Okay, so now we will create one model also, and make sure that you will keep on running those two commands. Run those two commands, npm run development dev, and also npm run watch. Okay, so that you will get means every time you will process something, you will get here Laravel mix build. Okay, and you will come to know that it's working fine. Okay, so now we are going to uh, post data, and one more thing we require here. I'm going to do that cron to create that model. Okay, artisan model, inquiry model. Okay, we are going to make here. Okay, yeah, now the model has been created. Okay, okay, so after creating the model, we can open the model here as well. Inquiry for checking. See here, model has been created. Okay, so after creating the model, now we are going to update this addPost function, and here we are going to post the data. Okay, so let's do that. Dollar inquiry. Okay, here we'll do like this, new inquiry. Okay, okay, so now here we will do that. First of all, name is coming, so we will have the name like we used to do. Total data and name is coming from view. Okay, so three more are coming, three more fields are coming, and one is the email. Okay, so email, yeah, subject, subject, and subject. So one is the message, message. Okay, okay, inquiry, then save. Okay, so after that, uh, we can here echo like thanks for contacting us. We will get back to you soon. Okay, like this, and here we are going to paste like this. Okay, so after saving, we have given here message, and this message we are going to display in our blade file in here somewhere. uh, Here somewhere we are going to show in our post blade file, and but with the view we are going to save. Okay, so first of all, here we are going to check that whether our data is going to our table or not. Okay, after that we will work on its response. Okay, so I'm going to refresh this page, and okay, so after refreshing, I am going to paste, started adding the data. Amit Gupta, Amit, you can add any email. I can add like amit@yahoo.com, and here testing, add test and testing. Okay, so I'm going to now submit. Okay, and you can see the data. Oh, okay, so sorry for that. We need to add here inquiry model. We need to include in our CmsController, so you need to include that model also here like this, and after that we need to refresh once again, and we'll see again. Okay, so let's see. I'm going to fill once again, and here we are going to do like this, and here we are going to do like this, and here testing, and here I'm going to write testing is going on like this, and after that yeah, I will check here now. Submit once again, and you can see thanks for contacting us. We will get back to you soon. So it is coming wherever we want. It is coming here up till here, and it must save. Now we must check in our table, and you can see the data is coming fine in table. Okay, so now you have seen that we able to add the response. Now the thing that we want to do is to post a message here, that the means this message we want to post here somewhere. Okay, after this we want to post. So for that we need to update that app.js file again. Okay, with some message. So here we are going to make some changes. Okay, so we require here that response kind of thing. There is dot then function response. So we will update this part. Okay, so I am going to comment this part. This part is not required. You can also remove this part that we have copied from online, and instead of this we are going to write another code like this one dot then. Okay, so it means that after posting this one, then what will happen? Okay, so then we are going to work on this function like this, and after that response, so that what response will come, it is for response, that what response must be given to the blade file after posting the data. So here first of all we are going to post it like this alert. Okay, in alert we are going to give. Okay, you can give in alert as well, and also we will come to know that the message is also is going there or not. Okay, first of all we are going to show in alert, and I'm going to do like this. Here you can see some error because here we need to end it like this. Now it is fine. Now we need to again, the error is coming, so we need to check why this error is coming, and we need to see the code, and restore message, and after that dot then function response. Okay, so here it was one only. Now we must check. Now build successful is coming, so you come to know that how it tells that the errors must come or not. Okay, so now build successful message is coming. It means that there is no error now. Okay, so now we can able to do once again. Okay, so that is fine. What we can do, yeah, we are going to now check that whether that alert message will come or not, because as we have done that alert message, so it must come now. Testing. Okay, so alert message must come now. I'm going to click on submit, and see here the alert message has come. Thanks for contacting us. We will get back to you soon. Okay, so you can check that alert message is coming fine, and also the message is posted here. Okay, so along with this alert message we also want to print here. So for that we will going to do some more coding in Vue.js. Okay, so first of all we will initialize one more value, and an empty value we need to initialize first. Okay, so we will do create one variable like response. We will create some other value, like, because response is already we are using at some places, so it will not work. So we will do like response message like this. Okay, response msg, like response message. Okay, and in that I'm going to make it empty for now. Okay, I can simply do like this empty. So this response message, we are going to add the data in this response message, and this response message belongs to app ID. You able to see that it belongs to the app ID. So we are going to add some data to this response message. We can add it like this. Okay, and the data is coming from here response, because we are getting the data from here. So this message, we are going to add this data like response.data here, and also we can check it out that if it is going to print one response.data, that same data that we are getting from here. Okay, so here, sorry, means in our this message we are now getting here. So in both the cases we can do like this, and after this response message, we are going to display somewhere in our post.blade file, like we are displaying that uh, the another message. We are displaying this one test message like this. We are going to display that response message as well. In the same way, we can do like Control Shift D, and here we can add response message. Okay, so that this message will come here as well. Okay, so now we are going to try, and we'll see both these things together, that whether the response message will come here or not. Okay, so here I'm going to fill once again the testing. Okay, here email will come, email. And also one more thing we are going to do, we can here give that condition that we used to give, and always you can give like this HTML5 condition very easily. Here we will give required. Okay, and in email we can give like type email. Okay, and here also we will give required. Okay, and subject also we can give required, and here message, if you want to give required, here you can also give required. Okay, now we can refresh once again, and we'll see submit, and you can see it will ask you that to fill out the form. Okay, and here if you are going to submit like this, it will ask you to fill out the email. Okay, so we are going to fill email here, and here we are going to fill like testing, and here we are going to fill testing is going on. Okay, like this, and I am going to now submit, and we'll see the message in alert as well as here after this message must come. So we are going to check now. I'm clicking on submit, and see here the message has come. Thanks for producing. We will get back to soon. And after clicking on OK, you can see the message again comes here. Thanks for producing. We will get back to you soon. So now it is 100% fine, and the message is coming fine here, and we able to show in alert as well. We able to show here as well. At both the cases we able to show the message. And if you want to disable that alert thing, that you can disable. If you don't want to show the message in alert, and then you can only show like this, like we used to show in another form as well. See here, every time you do something build successful comes here. So it is like that kind of thing, and but with additional features, additional advantages, that you come to know that build has been successful or not. Otherwise, you need to check in console that why the error is coming. But here, at least, you will come to know that this functionality is giving some error or not giving error. If not giving error, then build successful is coming. That is fine. And if it is giving error, then it will show that build not successful, and it is showing some error. Then you can check in console that what error is coming, and you can check in your code as well. Okay, so it is really better than Jax. Okay, Jax and jQuery, and so now you can check it out that we able to do so many times, and 3 times we have done. And if you will do another, like you can add some another ID, John, like this one, John, John at the rate of uofmail.com. Okay, and means uh, product details, query about product details. Okay, like this details, and this time I have disabled alert. Just I want to show here message, and I click on submit, and now you can see the message comes here. Thanks for credit. We will get back to you soon. Okay, and also you can check here that the here entry has come without refreshing the page. You have seen that it is working fine with Vue.js. okay, and Axios as well. Okay, so like this, we able to post the data in our database in all the forms, even in a register form we can able to do, and we are going to convert our complete e-commerce website slowly but surely with Vue.js, and you're going to see that we can complete website is in Vue.js in some time. Okay, and also we are going to show this data. This data we are going to show in admin panel with Vue.js this time. Okay, and that thing also we are going to do in admin panel. Okay, that you will also see in the future videos. Okay, so that's all for now, and I hope that you able to do this thing at your end as well. And if you have any queries, you can comment me, you can surely comment me, and you can add me, and you can add me in my Facebook account as well. Okay, and then you can add me here in my Facebook account as well. That is Amit G100, and you can subscribe here at YouTube as well for the updates. Okay, so uh, so that you can keep in touch with me if you have any issues. Then I can help you to resolve. Okay, so you can contact me for that as well. Okay, so that's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.